What's up guys, it's Jaden, and today I built a $350 keyboard on stream. Drop was kind enough to send us out all the parts for this build, and if you guys are interested in any of them, I'll have everything linked down below in the description. With that being said, let's get into all the parts that we used for this build. For the keyboard kit, I chose the Tokyo 60. It comes in 4 different colors, and I've decided to pick up the slate color because I thought that best matched the keycap set. The Tokyo 60 is a 5-degree aluminum case with an integrated plate. It's hot swappable, it has RGB, and for the stabilizers, they're screw-in stabilizers. Paired with the keyboard kit, we have an acrylic diffuser, and the way I decided to use this was to sandwich the acrylic diffuser in between the case because I felt like this gave off the best RGB glow. The keycaps we went with were Drop's MT3 Dasher keycaps. I'm a huge fan of MT3 keycaps. I've used them in the past. I love the feel to them, so I thought I'd get another set for this build. Last but not least, we have the switches, and I decided to go with the Keycaps Jade. With all the parts out of the way, let's build a $350 keyboard. This whole build process was streamed over on my Twitch, and it took over 3 hours. I first started off with the stabilizers. I clipped them and lubed them with Krytox 205 grade 0. In the past, I've tried both Krytox and dielectric grease, but I've always preferred Krytox, so that's what I decided to go with these stabilizers. I didn't do any fancy mods to the stabilizers, but I would love to try out Band-Aid modding and even wholly modding my stabilizers in the future. I did a lot of research and decided not to lube the Keycaps Jades, so all we had to do was pop in the switches, throw on the keycaps, screw everything together, and we're finished.
Oh, okay. I like that. That's a sick little glow. Talk to me, baby. Shee. I like that. That's actually kind of clean.
Here's a quick sound test with the Keycaps Jades. I also did a few other sound tests trying out different switches with the stabilizers, so I'll throw those in as well. Now, I am no pro when it comes to building keyboards, and the stabilizers could definitely use some work. The overall sound this keyboard gives off is a little hollow, so I may end up foam modding it in the future. I'm curious to see how different switches would sound in this keyboard, so in the future I may swap out all my Keycaps Jades and throw on my ink blacks and see how it sounds on the Tokyo 60. The aesthetics of this keyboard are amazing. The keycap set paired with the case and the RGB glow looks stunning. I'm very happy with the way this keyboard turned out, and while I am no pro when it comes to building keyboards, I definitely had a lot of fun. There's so many ways I can improve my skills of building keyboards, and I would love to try out new mods on stabilizers in the future. Huge thank you again to Drop for sending out all the parts in this build. If you guys did go on to enjoy this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below, and if you have any questions, comment them down below. I try to reply to all comments as much as possible. In addition to that, I do stream over on Twitch where this whole keyboard was built, so if you'd like to check that out, I'll link that down below in the description as well. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.
So I'm going after mid. I'm going after. CT with.
CT. Close door.
Let's go! Good game, boys.